What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
Today's video is in collaboration with Soul Lady. They did go ahead and send me this highlight unit. This is like the Oreo highlights that I've been wanting ever since I first saw them. Like, these highlights are so freaking gorgeous. I'm obsessed. This is a glueless wig, okay? So the only thing tacked down is my edges, but y'all see that the wig is glueless. I literally just threw this wig on my head and I'm feeling myself, okay? This hair is so gorgeous. You guys know I had to add a little bit of flat iron curls. This hair is just everything. Like, I'm just so obsessed. It's just such a look. Like, huh? I'm obsessed with this hair. So if you guys want to see this is basically not even an install video because I'm literally throwing this wig on my head, but if you guys want to see me install this hair and you guys want to know my opinion on this hair and then all the details on this hair, definitely keep watching this video. Alrighty, girlies, so today's video is sponsored by Soul Lady. They did go ahead and send me this gorgeous glueless closure wig, and this install is about to be so fast, girl. You gonna blink and the video is done, so hold them eyes open, pookies. So today's gonna be this highlight unit. All the details on this hair is going to be in the description box. This is giving that Oreo because it's like a platinum blonde whitish highlight with the black hair, and it is just bomb.com. So I did go ahead and pluck a little bit of this hair off camera, but she does come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything. Like, this hair is just all that in a bag of chips, my girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my wax stick and I'm just gonna smooth it down with my hot comb. This is just how I make sure it looks like it's growing out my scalp. If you want to wear the wig and just throw it on, you can, but I like to customize my hair to make it look even more natural. So after we hot combed my hair, I did go ahead and take the Ruby Kiss foundation and put that over the lace that was showing. And next up, we're gonna section out my edges. This is moving so fast. We don't have much to do. We're not putting any adhesive, no spray, nothing. Just a very quick natural install, and that's exactly what we want. So what I'm doing here is I'm just curling her with my 1/2 inch flat iron, and then I'm going to prep her for my mousse. And this is just, you know, we're going to do our little C-shaped natural fluffy, well, actually some people is gonna say this is dramatic. I feel like these are midway natural, midway dramatic. It's up to you what you want to call it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop my edges. If you guys want an edge tutorial, I can give that to you guys, but it's pretty simplistic. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and just frame my face. We're not cutting really, we're just layering it just a tiny bit because I wanted to do some wand curls. I mean, some flat iron curls. And for the flat iron to look good, especially in the front, you do want to kind of frame your face. You do not have to, but I just wanted to add a little touch of body to this hair, okay? So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking my flat iron and I'm just curling it. I also can do a tutorial on this if you guys want it. This hair was super easy, okay? There was nothing else for me to do, so I'm like, okay, let me add a little, let me make this video a little bit longer and add some curls to it, because she came in a straight style and I could have just straightened it and called it a day, but I said let me add some curls to it, add a little body yaddy yaddy, and yeah. But these curls are super easy. I rather flat iron curls than barrel curls. I don't know, it just comes out way easier and I just love it. So that's a personal preference, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this to the other side of my hair. And this is what I'm looking like. I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and we're just going to go ahead and comb through these big body curls. We're going to comb through it lightly just to like loosen them up. This is, if you like volume, this is the hairstyle for you. It's going to give you a lot of volume. The hair is already thick, but with these type of curls, you're going to get volume. So I'm going to flip my hair over to really give that 70s kind of vibe. You guys saw that trend on TikTok a long time ago, but that's how I get like that really big hair. So because the curls were too high up, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of flat iron the top. You see what I'm doing? I'm just taking a flat iron and I'm just coming down just a little bit and I'm stopping right where I want it to kind of stop at. And that's how I get just such a beautiful like frame to my face kind of curl. This is the final look. It is so pretty. The highlights, the Peekaboo highlights are just so gorgeous. This hair color is to die for. You guys need to shop with Soul Lady. This hair is just beautiful. Like, look at those edges. And the fact that this is glueless is killing me, my girl. Like, period. Alright, my love, so that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I wanted to go ahead and install and throw on this glueless unit that was sent to me by Soul Lady. This hair is so beautiful, so raw, so nice. Look at that. Ugh, holding a curl so well. Look at that. This is gorgeous. Like, this is just giving grown and sexy. And it's glueless. Oh yes, my girl, period. Okay, so if you want to get your hands on this hair, all the information is going to be down below in the description box. I really do like this hair. I like the length, I like the color, I like the texture. I just like everything about this hair. It's just really, really nice. Like I told you guys in the video, I did go ahead and pluck it a little bit myself. Didn't have to bleach any knots or anything, so that saved me a lot of time. I just love wigs that are just easy. I don't have time to be doing 10,000 things to it, so this wig is that. If you are a girl that likes to just do quick, easy, simple installs, this is gonna be the wig for you. Like I said, check my description box for all the purchasing links, promo codes, and all that good stuff. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.